Welcome to the Mills Road location of Allied Power Group. The Mills Road location of Allied Power Group is our corporate headquarters, and it is located on the northwest side of Houston. Our 133,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility is home to the most extensive F-Class hot gas path and combustion repair experience in the turbine industry. We are an ISO 9001 registered facility and have more than 135 employees at this location ready to repair and fabricate any turbine and combustion-related parts. Our Mills Road location specializes in turbine component and rotor repairs, both gas and steam turbine, to help lead the turbine industry in both skill to repair and quickness to respond. Let's take a tour of our facility. The first place your part goes is our shipping and receiving center. When we first receive your part for repair, we identify every component with an individual job and location number that ensures traceability throughout the repair process. Organization is paramount to our core repair process, and it's one of the key factors that make us the industry leader in turbine repair. After we receive each part, we mark them with the dot peen or laser marking system. This establishes that each part belongs to a specific component and a specific job. After each component is appropriately marked and identified, it moves to our airflow testing facility. For many of the products we repair, the next step in the rehabilitation process is to send them through an incoming airflow test. This airflow test helps to determine if there are any leaks as well as the stability of the components to identify areas where additional repairs may be needed. All first and second stage buckets, first and second stage nozzles, and combustion liners go through this evaluation. During the repair process, we conduct multiple airflow tests to ensure that all repairs adhere to our specifications and quality standards throughout the rehabilitation procedure. After completing the incoming airflow inspections, the product then moves to the Abrasive Glass station of the shop. Affectionately known as Big Blue, our abrasive sandblasting unit helps to prepare the component for inspection. We use multiple types of grit depending on the item going through the unit or type of coating being removed. The next stop in the component repair process is at our inspection station. This is the part of the process where we identify any cracks or breaks in the parts. Fluorescent penetrant inspection is conducted on all rotating parts. All buckets and blades are dyed with a fluorescent penetrant, developed, and then viewed under a blacklight to identify any defects. In addition to our fluorescent penetrant testing, we also perform red dye testing on all stationary components. Mag particle inspections are used on our compressor diaphragms and rotor components. It's also in the inspection area that we perform UT wall thickness and eddy current coating thickness analysis. After we finish performing the inspection segment of the process, the component will move to various other areas depending on the discovery results of the testing. One of these sections is our in-house metallurgical laboratory. It is here where we can evaluate coating repairs, life assessment, and failure analysis of the components. This is accomplished with cold or hot mounting, polishing, photomicrographs, video micrographs, hardness, and bend and pull testing. This is an advanced technique we perform at Allied Power Group that helps to extend part life and lower operating costs by developing comprehensive repair analysis. The next step the component might go to is to our hot zone vacuum heat treat furnace. This is where the repair process really begins. Allied Power Group utilizes two 225 cubic foot furnaces that heat treat the components for superior metallurgical results. These state-of-the-art furnaces are utilized for pre- and post-molding, coating diffusion, and aged heat treatments. Vacuum furnace brazing may also be used for dimensional restoration and crack repair. To ensure the most sanitary cleaning environment, we perform a bi-weekly hydrogen clean of our units. The next area of our facility is our bucket zone. In the bucket zone, We use complete 7EA and 7FA simulation turbine wheels for a full 360-degree bucket dimensional check to confirm repairs meet our strict fit-up specifications. Additionally, we have the capability to build and dimensionally inspect complete turbine blade ring assemblies, shortening outage time and adding value to our customers. In this step of the process, we inspect Z-notch interlock, squealer tip alignment, angel wing alignment, and shroud lift. Should repairs be needed, we perform welding with TIG or hotbox depending on the alloy type. Our next section is our coating cell. It is here where we have 4 coating booths, all robotically controlled, as well as a 5-axis arm and table. These modern machines provide various types of coatings to complete the appropriate job. These include Class B, Class C, and high-density TBC coatings, along with chrome carbide, stellite 6, and copper nickel indium coatings, all of which are delivered using our customized air plasma spray coating system. The next section of our facility is our rotor shop. It is here where we handle, diagnose, and repair gas and steam turbine rotors. By utilizing our overhead crane system, we're able to move rotors throughout the process with ease. We have 3 horizontal balance machines with varying capacities, a 5,000-pound, 20,000-pound, and 80,000-pound capacity. Allied Power Group also has a vertical balance machine that handles 9,000 pounds. In addition to the balance machines, Allied Power Group has a stacking pit that keeps the rotor stable during the destacking and restacking process. Allied Power Group also utilizes a lathe to help machine the perfect fit of every rotor. Speaking of machining, we have one of the most comprehensive machining centers in the industry at our Mills Road location. Our CNC milling capabilities can service both the industrial turbine and oil and gas industries. It is in this section that we can restore blade tip and vane air seal surfaces, blade Z-notches, and more. Our machining center has 5 vertical boring mills with 64-inch to 144-inch capacities. This allows us to mill large parts with extreme precision. We can perform 4-axis milling with our 3 vertical milling centers. We have the capabilities of precision drilling with our rapid hole EDM and plunge EDM machines. Our last section is our nozzle cell. In our nozzle cell, we have the capability to repair nozzles and vanes, as well as compressor and steam turbine diaphragms. We also use the case simulation fixtures to ensure that there are no fit, form, or function issues once our parts get to the field. Precision is everything to us at Allied Power Group. Our focus is to constantly develop new ways to improve our processes. Experienced personnel, rigorous inspection, and the most cutting-edge technology come together to make Allied Power Group your ideal choice for the highest quality repairs of industrial gas and steam turbines. Allied Power Group. Become a power partner today.